all, not just about being a individual, but to be grateful. Like being this aspect as a researcher, to see something in the summer, where I can give something, where I can provide something as a researcher.
Sai!
Also, also be
Dili.
A children will fly in the faces. What is your research gap? Our research gap is all about our purpose transitioning.
Ano dyan?
Malamang kanina minute kinabukas sa table. Doon si kabok table karon di malamay ang minute.
Boy, si may mag-prayer!
National anthem.
Yeah!
Bye.
Mayor! Mayor yun!
Ikaw mo na makita min agi na lang.
Aman si Angel. Hi, Jill.
In the contemporary educational landscape, class
Kukuha man lamang kita doon. Kung kasi lang first.
Silo ka diba?
Kukuha man lang first kain na.
Part of the problem of our research activities is the lack of understanding regarding the factors influencing readiness.
Total of 259 students were and suggested study, group of track and directly, assessed by both external and internal. For page 28, chart 2, profile of correspondence gender, as per the chart, about 44% of the grade 11 respondents identified as male, whereas 56% identified as female. Thus, selection of the first strand and senior high school was mainly based by female respondents. Research indicates the gender differences.
Ano, Loy?
We learn to help each other. Fatima, what did they say? Okay, based on the data you gathered, what do you think is the interpretation? What is the conclusion based on your data gathered?
Ito na Mars.
Tigo, Chris, ha? Tigo ba kaya? Tigo. Tigo, diha.
Who are youth from 16 to 17 years old. Yung undeveloped in 11 students at Rascal National High School. Second, the frequency result yielded that the highest percentage of the frequency level on the current physical discipline fall under the category level with 88% of respondents. 100
Research offended. Research offended. Wait lang.
Hi guys.
Si Duduy yun. Ito po ang follower. Dari ang famous na vlogger, guys. Pinakapugi. Stilid.
Si Tony.
Pugi, guys. Ito
There is no significant relation because the level of parental physical discipline is most of the students bring this class sa highest percentage, and then sa class attendance is most of the students never had perfect attendance and with no attendance. So there is no significant. Yes, ma'am. But there is no attendance.
Mga parents para mas mag-work sila sa yung family life. Kaysa magpuan sa physical parental corporal punishment, magpuan na lang sa mas friendly na pang-discipline sa Isabela.
We some like kung mag-recommend na ako ay like mag-start din sa bayan like discipline, like not harsh but doon like makalir niya pang bata doon ginapasakit na
Kahit ako mga bata, kailangan i-feel ang personal helping the other to family and respecting others. And community will provide the financial and wisdom of the children. I thank you. Conclusion, is there is no significant difference in what is supposed to be your recommendation? If there is no significant difference,
Lloyd, pila na may nag-present? Pila na nag-present?
Dua pa.
Baka.
Dua pa lang.
Ikaduha ko man.
Oo.
so what's supposed to be? If there's no significant difference, do their class attendance, what's supposed to be your?
Nag-ihi na ko. May tubig sa CR?
Ano yun sa NI, thank you?
For the job going to satisfy your panelists with what they're asking and what your paper is looking for. So congratulations once again. We will award we have 3. We have the best in abstract, best in presentation, and best in research paper. So you are 4 groups, diba? We have 4 groups. So the 3 groups will receive certificate and also medals. But a medal is during nasa ISO graduation. Okay, wala nato maapas. But it's okay, at least nato dito sa graduation na kung ito na research, blah 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 amo. So ipandugang sa ato dito ngayon. So congratulations once again. May I present to you your certificate of appearance. Panelists.
Lloyd, grabe mga kaloy. Hindi pa ganit may diri.
Pulot ba nakasnap?
Yes, wow. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ay, naabot na. Pisa.
Ano pa niyo ito?
Bibi.
Sa
Dani ka rin ako na isa. Hari pas, Jai. Wow. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Crizo. Oh my God.
Hapit na ako mag-con, guys.
Hey.
Gentlemen, we'll have it first sa ato abstract.
Tagkuiba naman ko. Huwag mo bagay na eh.
So for our best in abstract, we have group of
Mabuhay!
Miss Correos.
Yay!
Also best in research paper.
Wow! May tara kanta.
Dati silang Nick and
Kuhanan ko ay.
Yung baby, silang Nick. Ala, wow! Wrong Nick kami! Wrong Nick kami!
We have from group 1.
Wow! Naka na doy. Best in long gown.
And also best in